So if you're thinking about getting a Tesla and going onto their website, you can customize exactly which car, color, and features you're going to order. But what about the inside and exterior accessories of your car? How do you pick those so you're not wasting your money with bad quality products? We're going to go over exactly the accessories you need in this video. So I have some brand new accessories and some I would really recommend you having from day one because it really does protect your Tesla. And if you're spending all that money, you want to make sure that you do protect your car. So let's get into accessory number one. So this one is a brand new accessory and especially good if you have kids or you have a pet, or if you want to just protect the back of your seats because your Tesla will not come with any protection. These are the Base Nor leather seat protectors and I absolutely love these. So you can see here that they come in black and they also come in white. Now I actually got the white seat protectors because I really wanted a pop of color and I'm super happy with them. They are so easy to install. You actually peel back or pull back that plastic part of the rear of your seat and they actually tuck in and around that plastic protector. For $60, you get two sets, well I should say you get two pieces here, and it's a 4.6 rating on Amazon. If you are interested in these or any other of the accessories that we discuss, all of the links will be in the description below, so make sure to check those out. So these are custom fit. Now you can see here, traditionally, they just loop around your headrest of your car, but not these ones. These are actually custom fit. They look exactly like the OEM shape of your seat. I think you're really gonna be happy with these. They're really thick. Actually, I was really surprised. It is a synthetic leather, but it does look and feel like the factory made seats themselves. So for this one, I would definitely pick this up. So this one is also from Base Nor. Both of these products are from them. I am not sponsored at all, but I did like the seat protectors that I got. And then I got to thinking, well, what about accessory number two, the Base Nor trunk seat protector? Now this is so cool. It actually Velcros onto the back of your seat. You can see here it has easy cleaning, and without it, you could potentially damage the carpet from maybe loading dirty items in there, what have you. But it's really cool product for $36 at this time. So we can just see here some of the customer reviews. It looks super clean in your Tesla. So if you fold down your seats, maybe you're loading equipment or things like that, I think these are a really smart buy. Now some people said they came dirty from the factory. I think that's what's really pulling down this rating. Now obviously that's probably going to be a rare instance. I would expect these to come looking absolutely brand new, but this is a really cool product. I am going to pick this one up for my Tesla. So again, the Base Nor back cover all-weather seat protector. One of the most popular and most often bought items when we talk about accessories, I have to mention it. All of your technology lies behind that screen, and we're going to talk about the Spigen tempered glass screen protector. So you're getting extra protection on that screen if you were to bump it with something. Maybe you're loading a longer item through your trunk or what have you, but you're also getting anti-glare. So you can see here with other screens, you might have this hazy kind of look, but Spigen's, especially from my experience, it does give you a crystal clear, really nice finish, and it also prevents against fingerprints. So we can see here, this is really what they're getting at. It's gonna have less fingerprints. Now I have this screen protector. It doesn't take all the fingerprints away, but your screen is definitely gonna look better than not having anything at all. So honestly, this one is a no-brainer. For $40, you're gonna buy it one time and have it absolutely forever on your Tesla. So again, I have this one. The install is super easy. It actually comes with this little clip that goes over your screen, and then you simply press along those arrows there where it says press and slide, and then you peel it off. So the install is super easy. It looks super clean once you're done. Again, for 40 bucks, I think this one is a no-brainer. One of the most popular Tesla brands, I want you to check this out, a big upgrade. Some Tesla owners, and I can even attest to this accessory in number 4 is a HEPA filter. And sometimes when your car has been sitting, especially after it rains, it has this really gross, almost musty sewer type of smell. I have no idea why this is, but I have heard even other YouTube videos explaining this smell. I have experienced it again, especially after a long rain. Don't know why it happens, but the HEPA filter will remove any type of smell like that. So just because of my experience again with that kind of musty smell, I'm going to get this one for my car, and I'll make a video on the installation of this and other accessories. But right now it does have a 4.6, something you're probably gonna only purchase maybe a few times a year. That's kind of up to you as far as how often you want to change it. But you can see here it does have 4 different layers. It does a much better job. Pretty straightforward product, so we'll keep this one brief. But the Tamai HEPA filter, again, in the link in the description, so check this one out as well. Another one-time purchase I really think you should consider, especially if this is going to be your daily driver or you take road trips, and that is the KM Motors Model 3 console lid protector. And for $33, this simply fits right on top of your console lid in your Model 3, and this gives you comfort, style, and really makes your Tesla stand out from others on the road. Now I chose this one because it has a 4.8 out of 5, 600 plus ratings. I mean, this thing is quality. That stitching, it really does look almost OEM if Tesla were to provide some type of cover, but you can see here, and I've already seen this in other YouTube videos, so I wanted to include it. It looks super comfortable. So I think I'm gonna pick one of these up for my car as well. And you can also see it wraps around your compartment there on your center organizer, which will provide extra storage as well. So you can see it wraps around, and you can put things underneath those little tabs, if you will, those little ribbons, and you can place things in your console. So not only does this look good, add style and comfort, it gives you extra storage as well. So there's so many other accessories that I will put in the links in the description, from cleaning supplies to storage bins, and there's so much more. So make sure to check out those links. If you do have any questions about how much money I spent, certain accessories like PPF, ceramic coating, floor mats, other things that we haven't talked about in this video, put them in the comment section below and I will answer them. And also let me know which Tesla you are considering. So if you do like this content, the only way I know that you do enjoy it is to drop a like and consider subscribing for more Tesla tips and news. Again, this is Matt from Frunk to Trunk. We will see you in the next video.